Yo, what's going on? Thanks for stopping by. Today we have something a little bit different. New release, Blizzard came out with their card set. So I've played Blizzard games for a long time now, whether it be from Warcraft when it first started, StarCraft, we jumped into that, and I play a ton of Heroes of the Storm. I know it's a MOBA and not many people play this MOBA anymore, but I love it. I've played it for about a decade now, which is pretty insane. And they just released Blizzard Legacy Collection. And this is going to be a set that includes cards from all those games, whether it be from um, World of Warcraft, Hearthstone, StarCraft, Heroes of the Storm. So yeah, it's gonna have a lot of fun different cards. I don't know too much about this set. These are the two blaster boxes. There are hobby boxes as well. So I wasn't sure how I'd feel about it yet. There's not many videos out there, so I really wanted to jump in and see what I thought about the set, and would love your feelings. So if you've played any Blizzard games, would love to know what you've played, grew up with. So yeah, I really enjoy the Blizzard games. I enjoy the characters, so and their universe that they created. So the fact that Heroes of the Storm that I play brings it all together, got characters pretty much from all their games. That's why I kind of love it. So not too sure what to expect here, so bear with me. I don't know what kind of parallels and or anything to be honest. So enjoy the ride with me, right? Um, so yeah, we got 7 packs here, and there's going to be 8 cards a pack, is what we're going to have from this box, each box. So we'll go through 2 boxes and hopefully get some really cool cards. Put the other box over here. So I'm not familiar with every game. So when it comes to, was there? Name? I can't remember. It's dropping off my mind. But we'll take a look at it, and I'll remember which game I'm talking about. Their first person shooter. Diva, which is actually from Overwatch. There we go. Um, Diva is also a character in Heroes of the Storm 2, so awesome. Hopefully that's focusing in. Yeah, that's cool. Diva and her mech. Alright, so I'll group them by game, I guess. And we've got Heroes of the Storm, Zagara. Nice. We got Hearthstone, Jaina Proudmoore. Yep. All right, you know what? We're just gonna stack them together. There's gonna be too many games in. All right, we got Overwatch Junkrat. That's a cool looking card. I like the gloss. It's got a nice gloss to it. The back is pretty simple. Junkrat is an explosive, obsessed freak who lives to cause chaos and destruction. And that's it. Nothing else on the back, just straight to the point, I guess. And I mean, hey, I like the contrast. I like the art. Looks really good. Heroes of the Storm. I guess it's the when you pick the character, and it's a red parallel, so that's cool. We got Tychus. I just used them last night. And we got Zagara from, Zeratul from StarCraft. Very nice. I love the art. We got Dibbles from Diablo. Oh, I grew up. I played a lot of Diablo 3 actually. A ton of hours on Diablo 3 was when we, and then Diablo 4 just came out, and I'm gonna start playing that a lot more. So Dibbles from Diablo, and we've got Zul'jin from World of Warcraft. Lemons, nice. I didn't check to see if perhaps the red was numbered. No, just a nice mark down the card. Ouch. All right. I'll leave the parallels in a pile over here. Right. On to pack number 2. The Lost Vikings. They are a character you can play on Heroes of the Storm, but it's not tied to a game, it looks like. We got Overwatch, the Widowmaker. Baptiste from Overwatch. And we got a red parallel of Inarius from Diablo. It's nice. So not numbered. We got Imperius from Diablo as well. Hey, keep on feeding me Heroes of the Storm and Diablo cards, and I'm good. Oh, I do love the World of Warcraft, of course. We got Medivh. Very nice. This one's a little tougher to read. Turlion from Warcraft. Nice. And we got Gul'dan from Warcraft as well. That's a nice looking card. I love the contrast there on this one too. It's super nice. Well, hey, these are fun cards. So far so good. Enjoying this. Arthas from Hearthstone. Hearthstone. We've got Soldier 76 from Overwatch. We've got a World of Warcraft. Bran Bronzebeard. Nice. What do we have here? Retro Arcade Collection. So we got the Lost Vikings. We got Zool. Heroes of the Storm. Ooh, Tassar. That's a nice picture. That's a nice card of Tassar right there. That's cool. Ooh, StarCraft. The drone. Very white background there. We got Baal from Diablo. Nice. Eesh. Are you playing any games right now with Blizzard? I know Blizzard's gone out, was bought out recently. So Heroes of the Storm was kind of a dead game for, well, I guess last year. They said they were going to stop investing in Heroes of the Storm and they're just going to maintain the servers. But once Microsoft bought it, it seems like a patch just came out September 20th, I believe, and they went pretty extensive on the patch. So I'm hoping that game comes back. And yeah, let me know which games you're playing. We'd love to know. Sombra from Overwatch. We've got Hanzo from Heroes of the Storm. Oh, Overwatch again. Roadhog. We got a Hordrake Cube. Hordrake Cube. Oh, you put these pieces together to create a cube. It just literally pops out like a piece, and then you can make a, I guess, a 3D cube. Don't think I'll be doing that. I'm just gonna put that to the side here. There, it's fine. We got a red of Uther from Warcraft. Nice. Uther Lightbringer. Aye, the Lich King himself, Arthas. Terran from World of Warcraft. Cho'Gall from World of Warcraft as well. Cool looking show. Mm. Hey, Malfurion from her Hearthstone. Sylvanas? Nope. Illyria, Windrunner from Hearthstone. Lunara, Heroes of the Storm. Is that Murky? No. Morkel? Morgul from Hearthstone. Hearthstone. I don't play that game, so apologies. We got Duriel from Diablo. That's a wild looking card right there. Sargeras? World of Warcraft. Bilal. Diablo? We got Golem from Diablo as well. Remember that boss fight in D3. Well, the cards are fun. I guess from a parallel perspective, I've just had seen the red so far. I know you can get some one of ones. You can get some numbered cards, so I'm hoping to see something with these two blasters. But in the end, I'm really enjoying the art that we have here. So, win-win. Muradin, World of Warcraft, Tyrande. Nice, Tyrande. That's a beautiful card. The purple, the moon in the back. Sheesh. Muradin, Heroes of the Storm. We got an Overwatch character here. Bridget. Yeah, below we have. Oh, yeah, that's right. In the red parallel. We got Lady Vashu. Vashi? No. Vashu. World of Warcraft. Andy. Is that Anduin? Yeah, Anduin. And StarCraft. Zergling. All right, last pack from Blaster 1. So far, we've just got reds, and we get that one for Drake Q puzzle thingy. So, Rexar, Hearthstone, Kael'thas, Heroes, Sigma, Overwatch. We got Genji. This is a different kind of card. Ultimate Ready. That's a nice card. That's a little insert there, I guess. Nice. I can't read the red on that one. Malagos. World of Warcraft. Inarius again. Diablo 3. We got Uther again. And we got Leia. But this time not in red parallel. All right. Let's grab our next 7 packs here. Come on. One-on-ones. All right. Let's go. Where'd you go? Butcher in that pack. Blackthorn. I don't see this as a game, so maybe it's just a random card. Kadar. Oh, Illidan, my fave. That's an awesome card. In his different form, that's cool. I like that. Yeah, Kira. We got a red parallel here. Vorak. That Vala is an awesome looking card. I like that art. Oof. Speaking of awesome, there's Butchie. We got the Butcher. And that's a really cool World of Warcraft Grummash. Alright, let's keep it going. Hear the beeping, I apologize. It's yeah, something in the background. I'm gonna have to get that fixed. So, alright. Kama, Tychus. We got Zul. We got Diva in the red parallel. Sarah. Mephisto, Diablo, nice. Thrall, World of Warcraft. And the last one is Vol'jin. Alright. No, there's a card in here that's gonna knock my socks off, right? Alright, we've seen this one already. We've seen this one already. Now we got Reinhardt, Overwatch. We got Abathur. We got Abby from Heroes. Ooh, Kerrigan? No. Queen of Blades. Yeah, I think that's Kerrigan. StarCraft. Queen of Blades. Not sure if they call her Kerrigan, but Asmo. Asmodan. Varian. Depth. Alright. So, what do you think of the card so far? I had a choice to grab the hobby. I wasn't sure. I'm not sure. We got a younger Andy. Um, Chen. I personally love the cards and how they look. We'll decide if I jump into a hobby box. Uther. We have another Hordrake cube piece there. We got Zeg in the red parallel. We got Hellbat from StarCraft. We got Magda. Diablo. Is that Hammer? Oh, Siege Tank. Alright, Siege Tank for StarCraft. Those. Zenyatta from Overwatch. Villain. Hey, Lila, Lily. Artanis, red. Very nice, like that. Andy and Sylvanas. Looks like he's fighting Sylvanas there. Cool. Rakanoff. Diablo. Oh, I'm sorry, the fonts, the cursive, Adria. And we've got Jaina from Warcraft. So I guess Jane's got a couple cards. I wonder if yeah, I guess she'll have one in World of Warcraft. She'll have one in Hearthstone, and she'll have one in Heroes of the Storm. So thinking this set's pretty massive on that end. All right, we got Bastion from Overwatch. Ah, cool retro card here. The Lost Vikings. Never played that game, so looks good. All right, we have another watch here. We got Andy, Jaina, Red, Agwin from World of Warcraft. Oh, that's a really cool card too. And we got Nova. This is Grommash. All right, last card from the blaster. Hey, as a personal rip, this was really cool. For me to jump in to buy more, I'm not sure. I think I got my Illidan card, so I'm pretty happy about that. I don't really see the to have a zero number card kind of hurts a bit. I might have to go back and see. Um, it's just more fun when I'm chasing some kind of cards, right? Thunder Fury, Art of Samwise, very nice. See the artist there. So Mr. Samwise, there you go. We have a red card here of Sinjin. Very nice. We got the Banshee. Ooh, it's really nice too. Another Windrunner. And we got Kel'Thas. So yeah, hope you enjoyed it. If you could hit that like and sub. This was a fun rip to go through. The art, the art's really cool. I really enjoy the art on the set. So that was nice to see. In regards to say, I don't know, keep my favorites, perhaps sell the others to purchase more. I'm not sure what it's going to be like. It's pretty brand new, so it's a new set, so there's not too many comps out there for these cards. But in regards to what I collect and the cards that I have here for Heroes of the Storm and some of the games that I've played, really happy with it. Looks great, a lot of fun. Good to see the different characters. So yeah, thanks for watching. I appreciate it. Hope you have a great one. Cheers.